Hey designers, and welcome back. Today I've got to get ready with me for you guys. I know it's been a little while since we've done one, but today I'm going to be showing you how I do this natural looking everyday makeup, so stick around. After washing my face, I always love to start with a good toner and moisturizer. You've seen the two that I used before. I'm going to have those links posted for you below, as well as a code that can save you 10% on your order. For primer, I am using the Ulta Matte Prime. I'm just going to push that in all over the skin, especially in my T-zone where I tend to get super oily. This is going to blur my pores and set a nice surface for my foundation to stick to. Now I'm going to go in with the LA Colors Conceal Correct Green for blurring out all that redness. You guys saw a recent review on this product, exactly how it works. For foundation, I am using the L'Oreal Infallible Long Wearing Foundation. I'm going to be pushing this into the skin with my Real Techniques full face brush, making sure to buff it in well and making sure that I hit that neck area as well. We want it all to blend nice and smoothly so there are no harsh lines around that jaw. To brighten up that under eye area, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Dark Spot Remover. I'm using my fingers to massage that in because the warmth from my fingers seems to help this blend a little bit better. To set that under eye area as well as the whole T-zone, I will be using the banana powder from Too Faced's Candy Johnson collection. I'm going to let that sit and bake for just a minute so there's no movement, and in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Original. Now it's time to set the whole face with my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. First of all, I need to brush away that banana powder so that now I can go in with that Rimmel and set the whole entire face and neck area, including those eyelids. For my brows, I am using the IT Cosmetics Build-A-Brow. I do have a tutorial on this brow look that I will have linked for you. So to save time, we're going to kind of skip right over this process. And if you want to see the details, check out that video. For blush today, I am using the Revlon Powder Blush in Tender Plum. For highlighter, I am using the Bad Habit Highlighter Palette from Rosé, and I'm using the color Cheers. I'm going to put that right on the bridge of my nose, as well as the Cupid's bow, and then of course on top of those cheekbones. For my eyes today, I will be working out of the I Want Candy palette from Too Faced. First of all, I'm going to start over the entire eye surface with the Banana Cream Pie. This is going to add a nice surface that's going to help our other colors be a lot more blendable. I'm using the color Ice Cream on top of the brow bone. In the crease, I'm using a combination of pastry and cream puff. I'm blending the two of those together to give me a nice, soft, natural-looking crease line. To deepen up that outer V, I'm going in with just a dash more of the pastry. On the eyelid, I am using Sparkling Cider. On the highest point of my brow bone, right underneath the arch, I am using Whipped Cream. With the same brush I was already using, I'm just going to make sure everything is nicely blended. For eyeliner, I am going to be using the Palladio Gel Liner in black. This I will be using on my waterline and also to tightline my eye. I will be using this same gel to add a little bit just to the outside corner of my eyes. I don't want to take it too far in, and you will notice that I'm using my finger to smudge it out just a little bit. For mascara today, I am using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise in the blackest black. For lips, I am using the L'Oreal Infallible paints in the color Taupeless. In case you missed any of the products, I will have a full list posted for you in the description box down below. And there you have it. Pretty easy to do. Just a natural look if you just want makeup to wear around the house or to run a few errands, and you don't necessarily need to look all dolled up. Just takes a few quick minutes and you're ready to go. I want to thank all of you so very much for watching today, and I want to remind you, you were created for purpose, so go be all you can be. I'll see you soon in the next video.